Here's an update for Aberdeen Estates and Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Hello guys, good day. This is me, Carlos Steve Singson, the property expert here in Nuvali. And ngayon, the purpose of this video is to give an update sa lahat ng mga buyers natin, especially from US, Canada, Australia, Europe and UAE, and even sa ibang part ng mundo, para makita nyo kung ano ba ang progress ng mga developments ng mga binili nyong property kay Southdale Settings, Nuvali, and Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. I am now here at Southdale Settings, Nuvali. We launched this project 2 years ago, but look at the improvement and progress, I imagine this area 2 years ago na sobrang putik pa ito. As in, hirap na hirap kami akitin yung lugar na to, para makapag-viewing lang sa client. But look at now, look at the progress. Even the daan, yung entrance, yung mga house models gawa na, And good news, by the 3rd week of this July, mapasok na natin yung mga house models natin dito. To give you an update sa progress ng development natin, I will show you some drone shots today as of July 10, 2024. And now, let's explore the construction update of Southdale Settings, Nuvali. With landscape parks and open spaces, you can commune with nature and enjoy the picturesque views of Tagaytay Ridge, Mount Makiling, and Makati skyline. The total land area of this property is approximately 21 hectares in size, by which 45% is for the open spaces and 55% is for the residential. For the amenities, we have the multi-purpose hall, adult and kiddie pools, basketball court, children's park and playground, and landscape parks and open spaces. The land elevation of this property is approximately 172 to 202 meters above sea level. So imagine kung gaano kaganda sa area and gaano kalamig ang weather dito. Same with Aberdeen, With this size of land, konti lang din kayo magkakapit-bahay that you can really feel the exclusivity. And most of the buyers here are for retirement talaga, na bumibili sila ng 2 or 3 lots na magkakatabi. So imagine, pagtapos na ang mga houses dito. The entire subdivision is also surrounded with greeneries, na alam mo talagang nasa loob ka talaga ng Nuvali. And same with Aberdeen, So sa nabili mong property, meron kang planting strip, may walk path before pa yung property line mo. So ganun ka-spacious talaga ang subdivision. We launched this exclusive community 2 years ago. Mas nauna lang ng konti si Aberdeen, And now, makikita mo yung ganda ng development. And by the way, the elevation of the property is a bit higher than Aberdeen. So kita mo si Aberdeen in the future. To those clients na nag-invest po kay Southdale Settings, Nuvali, Congratulations po for having your investment secured. Dahil pagka-turnover ito, na-experience mo kung gaano kaganda ang lifestyle inside Nuvali. After showing you Southdale Settings, Nuvali, let's now check naman kung gaano ba kaganda and ano ba yung progress ng nagawa naman kay Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. This is the aerial view of the construction update of Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. Situated in a rolling terrain, you can marvel at the beauty of its natural surroundings and the views of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Mountain Ridge, and Makati skyline. Almost done na po ang ating entrance, and as you can see, we already have the model houses na pwede po nating i-check sa actual site. Our main road is 15 meters wide and meron siyang planting strip, may walk path before pa yung property line. So ganun po ka-spacious yung subdivision natin. This exclusive subdivision has a total land area of approximately 21 hectares in size, by which 45% is dedicated to open spaces. And for the amenities naman po natin is 1.05 hectares na meron po siyang multi-purpose hall, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, children's park and playground, and generous landscape parks and open spaces. Grabe no, with this size of land, konti lang kayo magkakapit-bahay that you can really feel the exclusivity. And the subdivision itself is surrounded by nature. Puro greeneries po yung paligid niya. And sobrang ganda ng views. And ang kagandahan kay Aberdeen Estates New Valley, since mataas yung elevation ng lupa, malamig din po dito sa area. The amenities is designed to be walkable, na kahit saang part ka ng subdivision, you have your own access going to the garden, directly connected to the 1 hectare amenities, na in the future sobrang accessible sa atin na magpunta sa amenity area. The land elevation starts at 158 to 188 meters above sea level. So when it comes to flood, hindi po siya magiging problem sa atin in the future. Ongoing pa din ang construction ng 1.05 amenities, and as per the contractor, the completion is by the end of this year. By the way, yung malapad na daan sa labas is Forest Avenue, na magkakaroon dyan ng direct access going to Batino exit na additional convenience sa ating mga residents. Sa lahat ng investors ng Aberdeen Estates New Valley, congratulations po no, dahil nakikita na po natin yung development sa area. I remember 2 years ago when we launched the property, wala ka pa nakikita, puro putik pa lang. But now, look at the development, sobrang ganda na lang nangyayari sa area, no? Ganun siguro talaga pag 100% budgeted yung ating development, na hindi ka mag-worry na hindi matapos ang development. And as per the contractor, no, that we are ahead of the construction progress sa ating subdivision. To explore more the construction update, please continue to watch this video. Completion of these projects as by 2026 pa, no? Imagine, 2 years pa ang completion, but look at the progress, almost patapos na. Kaya for my buyers no, na nag-invest both kay Southdale and Aberdeen, congratulations kasi nagbunga na ang ating investment, and of course nag-appreciate na ang value. But good thing no, we still have available house and lot kay Southdale, and nagkakaroon pa ng mga reopened lots. Kaya sa mga gusto mag-invest dyan, just send a message to my number so I can assist you sa inyong future home in Nuvali. So if you are interested to learn more about this property, you can contact me via my Viber or WhatsApp 0961-462-2138. My Facebook page is The Property Expert by Carlos Tipsingson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Again, this is Tipsingson, The Property Expert here in Nuvali.